Hi, welcome to this video. How to add an Instagram link to your YouTube channel. Whether you're working on laptop or PC or phone, this step will basically be the same, right? So you can apply this on your phone or PC or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead to my browser, right? Go ahead to the YouTube Studio or studio.youtube.com, okay? And hit the customization, like a magic icon here, right? Here. Press it, the side panel. Now all you gotta do is just scroll a little bit down, right? And you're gonna see below, right, before the contact info links, all you gotta do is just hit add link. Add the link title, which is required, and the URL. As you can see, I already added my Instagram link, right? Named it Instagram, and added the URL, right? You can just type www.instagram.com/your username, right? Or just copy the whole link from your Instagram profile. So basically that's it. And you can also reorder them, right? Maybe you want to put the Instagram on top, right? Maybe you want more traffic on your Instagram than TikTok, or maybe you got enough followers on TikTok that you want to get more traffic on Instagram. So you can reorder here the links. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.